Disney. Raya and the Last Dragon. The Fight for Kumandra. Adapted by Natasha Bouchard. Illustrated by the Disney Storybook art team. The Land of Heart is beautiful. It holds the magical dragon gem. A fierce warrior protects the dragon gem. His name is Chief Benja. A determined girl named Raya tries to get past him. She dodges, rolls, and leaps. Raya reaches the gem. Chief Benja is her father. He is proud of his daughter. Raya is now a guardian of the dragon gem. Chief Benja invites people from Tail, Spine, Talon, and Fang to the Land of Heart. He wants to unite the 5 lands of Kumandra, but they do not trust one another. Raya meets Namari, who is from the Land of Fang. Both girls love dragons. Raya trusts her new friend, so she brings Namari to the dragon gem. Namari tricks Raya. She tries to steal the gem. Hearing the noise, more guests arrive. They all want the dragon gem. Chief Benja protects it. Chief Benja is hurt. Everyone tries to grab the gem and it breaks into 5 pieces. Then the Droon appear. They can turn people to stone. Chief Benja gives Raya a gem piece to protect her from the Droon. He throws her into the river. The Droon turn Chief Benja to stone. 6 years later, Raya and her friend Tuk Tuk look for the last dragon. The dragon's magic can bring Raya's father back. Raya finds the end of a river. She hopes the dragon is here. She offers food and asks for the dragon's help. Suddenly, the dragon appears. Her name is Sisu. Raya asks Sisu to make a new gem, but it is impossible. They will need to find all the dragon gem pieces. They find a gem piece in the Land of Tail. Its magic transforms Sisu into a human. With no warning, Namari shows up. She has been tracking Raya. Raya and Sisu escape by jumping onto a shrimp boat. Raya and Sisu meet Boone. He is the captain of the shrimp boat. He agrees to take them to Talon to look for the next gem piece. The group arrives in Talon. Raya warns Sisu not to trust anyone, but Sisu wanders off with an old woman. The old woman wants all the dragon gem pieces. She leads Sisu to a trap. Raya and Tuk Tuk save Sisu and take the woman's gem piece. A toddler named Nai and 3 Angis join the group. They are clever and sneaky. They make a good team. When the group arrives in Spine, they meet a warrior named Tong. They do not trust him at first, but Tong agrees to help them. He has a dragon gem piece. The last missing gem piece is in the palace of Fang. Sisu says they should trust Namari to help them. They meet Namari near Fang. She brings the final gem piece. Namari threatens Sisu. Sisu remains calm, but Raya does not trust Namari. Raya pulls out her sword. The crossbow fires. An arrow strikes Sisu. Sisu falls into a canal, and all the water dries up. Now, Fang is not protected by water. The Droon attack Fang, while Raya chases Namari. Raya fights Namari in Fang Palace. Raya is angry, but she realizes that fighting is not the way to save Kumandra. Raya finds her team. If they want to defeat the Droon, they need to trust each other. Raya believes in Namari too. She gives Namari her gem piece. She turns to stone. The team follows Raya. Namari trusts Raya's plan. She puts all the pieces of the dragon gem together. Then she turns to stone. At first, nothing happens. Then, a light shines over the land. The Droon disappear and rain falls from the sky. Sisu and all the dragons return. All the stone people come back to life. Raya hugs her father. They have finally brought peace to Kumandra.